I know the CrossFit competition a while ago had that like fastest handstand walks. You can go the fastest if you go backwards and scissor your legs like you would your arms. But something to think about, that's if you're going for speed, a lot more efficient. I don't think any CrossFitters are doing that because they walk like this, too strong. The whole point of walking is that we're never in one place. You're always falling, but you're always falling back and forth. And then when you walk forwards, you're falling forward as you're falling side to side. So it's all just controlling your fall. Try not to spend time on two hands. Imagine there's a circuit, right? And if you have both hands on the floor, it completes the circuit, you get an electric shock. There's still a moment, but I'm trying not to spend time on two hands when I do these walks. My preference is I don't even start on two hands. When I walk on my hands, I already start on one, so I set that rhythm. Try not to try to roll through your fingers. Roll through your fingers. Conscious of shifting the weight. If your arms are bent, it's going to be heavy. If your arms are wide, it's going to be heavy. So if you pike your legs, it's going to make you go backwards. If you arch your legs forward, it makes you go forwards. And then it's just a rhythm.
Go sideways.
Sideways is different. Sideways, you have to